I've got two haircuts that make men look more successful. And I'm telling you, out of the 30 plus years of doing hair, working on thousands of clients, I can assure you that it's pretty much these two haircuts. And I've worked on major high-level executives, and I'm ready to go. So check this out. The first one is a hair length like this. Now, I've got two hair lengths. One is a bit longer, and here's why I think this makes people feel and look more successful, right? Success is always in the eye of the beholder, but it comes down to confidence that you feel. What are you doing? What type of job are you working? So if you are watching this and you are maybe a more high-level executive or just an executive in general, a working professional, the appearance really does matter, right? A real estate agent, a banker, somebody where you're a forward-facing professional dealing with people where how you look is a bit of a statement, and it can really affect how you do in business. Whether you're leading a team, it's always about dressing sharp. It's always about how people perceive you, and there's nothing like it's better to be known for looking too good and being well dressed or smelling too good, and having nice hair. It's better to have that than the opposite. So when it comes to my opinion of why I think this first hair length will instantly make you look more successful and maybe even feel more successful, one is, sometimes people think having more of something is better. So when you run your hands through your hair, you're just like, oh man, you just got that confidence of you've got more hair on your head that actually is just part of your character. So it's like having more money or more this or more that. You have more hair on your head. So you almost instantly feel more confident. Then the fact that you can run your fingers through your hair, or you can wear a hairstyle to where, you do something like you run your fingers through it and you're walking and all of a sudden a piece comes down like this and people are like, oh, that's the coolest thing, man. He has the coolest hair. It all is about vanity, right? And it really comes down to just the overall appearance. How do you get a haircut like this? Well, obviously, if your hair is a bit shorter, and I do virtual consultations, and if you are someone who is more of maybe an executive and you're trying to change things up a bit and you need more of a VIP experience, I do offer virtual consultations. I get them from people from all over the world. It's almost becoming like a part-time job because I'm doing so many consultations with people. It is a premium priced experience, but you're getting me one-on-one, and I actually create haircut images for you based off of having you send me in and email me a couple of images just of a headshot, and I create haircut images based off of that. So I'm personalizing this for you, and it's a really, really fun experience. So if that's something you're interested in, you can actually right here. You can purchase it right here. And it's really, really, really fun. So I think what you need to do is make sure your hair is long enough. Most people don't grow their hair long enough, and it could take 7 months, 8 months. Look how this hair literally comes down to the chin. Right? This whole piece, this is 8, 9 inches or so. And it has to have the hair long enough to be able to have this sort of flow. A lot of times when I'm doing these consultations with people, I'm telling them, don't even get your hair cut for 5-6 months. Just grow your hair, grow the sides, grow the back, and then get it shaped into this. Your hair can literally look like this if you grow your hair out properly. And then the next part of this is finding the right hair professional to do this. So, don't just go into some random barber shop and that you're paying, $12 for a haircut. Find a hairstylist, find somebody at a salon or even a barber, but as long as they are used to doing work like this with longer shapes and creating layers and things and just creating nice shapes, find that hair professional, no matter who it is, and work with them and say, this is what I'm looking for, take screenshots of this, whatever it is you got to do, and grow your hair longer. Because a lot of times your hair is simply not long enough. It's a wake and wear type of look. You can style this in a variety of ways. You can go for a power slick back to where all this is really, really slick back. You can have more of a natural look. You can have more of a texture type of messy. It all depends. But having more hair to work with is easier. And this works primarily best on straight hair, on thicker hair, or finer hair, as long as you have enough hair, the density. And even slightly wavy, this works really, really good on. Think like Matthew McConaughey with his hair a bit longer. Bradley Cooper from A Star Is Born. Like, those types of looks are really going to work. Now, the second one is a bit more on the extreme of going a bit shorter. Now, why is this haircut ideal and makes you feel instantly, more successful and feel better about yourself? Well, first of all, it's a clean haircut. I apologize if you hear a siren in the background. And it makes you feel more successful because sometimes people like having more of a tighter type of shape in through here because you feel neater. So feeling neater, it's like putting a tux on. You feel very formal. So this is the situation where you're feeling a bit more neat because there's, it's clean cut around the ears. It's got a nice taper to it. It's not a super short skin fade. It's something that is a good representation of having that balance between shorter, tapered into slightly longer on top. This is probably about, I would say, 2 inches long throughout the top here. No more than like 2.5 inches or so. And it's contouring the head shape, meaning that it's a fully kind of rounded out from the head. It's not a box. It's something that is easily moldable, you can style this very easily, and then you just need, one product, maybe 2 products max to style something like this. You can use, and I have a whole range of hair products from, hair powders to pastes. All will work really, really well, right? What you want to stay away from is just going in with like a hair gel. Like, this is not a hairstyle for hair gel because all that does is going to mat it down. If you want to mat it down, that's fine. But that's not the modern way to do styling. Right now, what you got to do is you have to try to mess it up. A lot of times people just pat the hair down like this. I always say, patting equals matting. You're making it look flat. It looks awful. Instead, go in there and try to mess up the hair, get that shape. And you can only do this with a certain type of product. A hair gel, you can't do this. So this is where a hair powder comes in, which I have. You can actually see them right here. One of my hair pastes. I've got a full range of stuff, but you don't need 18 different products. It's like use one or the other, So this is also something that requires a bit more maintenance. Every 4 to 6 weeks, I would suggest going in and getting a haircut. But this is just a look that is, it's a really phenomenal haircut. I've done hundreds upon hundreds of these haircuts on very successful executives, and then maybe times where they want to maybe, just tame it down a bit like that. So it's a bit more over, but it's not matted to the head. Or they're like, I'm feeling a bit more, edgy. I want to spike things up a little bit more. I want to make it kind of more textured and PC. And now, there we go. Now it's got more life to it. It's not just so kind of flat to the head. Then you can do it. There you go. It's just having the right hair length and then having the right texture. So this is primarily done on straight hair, on thicker hair, and also using texturizing techniques that the professional does to be able to see that pieciness in through here, right? It's not just one big glob of hair on your head. You're able to get that shape and that texture. So I highly suggest, if you want, again, the VIP experience with me as getting a virtual Zoom consultation with me, it's a half-hour long. You can purchase it right here. You can get any of the products I have. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and which haircut of the two do you have or are you planning on getting. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.